Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we're exploring how to make the most of the Capital One Savor credit card for your entertainment purchases. If you're a movie buff, concert goer, or someone who loves dining out, this card could help you earn rewards while enjoying your favorite activities. Let's dive right in. First, what is the Capital One Savor card? It's a cashback credit card that's perfect for everyday spending, offering 3% cashback on categories like dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and even grocery stores. That means every time you buy a movie ticket, order takeout, or subscribe to Netflix, you're earning money back, up to 3% on qualifying purchases. To get started, you'll need to apply for the card. Head to the Capital One website, where the process is quick and easy. You'll need to be at least 18 years old with a decent credit score, but don't worry, it's accessible for many people. Once approved, your card will arrive in the mail, and you can activate it online or via the app. Now, using it for entertainment is straightforward. For in-person purchases like concert tickets or restaurant meals, simply swipe or tap your card at checkout. For online entertainment, such as streaming subscriptions or digital movie rentals, add your card to your payment methods and select it at purchase. The card automatically tracks your eligible spending, so you don't have to do extra work. One of the biggest perks is the rewards system. You'll earn that 3% cashback on entertainment, which can add up fast if you're a frequent user. Make sure to pay your balance on time to avoid interest and keep those rewards intact. Plus, you can redeem your cashback as statement credits, gift cards, or even travel. Here are a few quick tips. Always check the Capital One app for bonus categories or promotions, set spending limits to stay budget-friendly, and pair this card with others for even more rewards. In conclusion, the Capital One Savor card is a game-changer for entertainment lovers. If you're ready to start saving, apply today and level up your spending game. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more tips.